Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Nissan Juke N-Connecta. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 49 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 11 and the car's covered just over 20,000 miles, and we have completed the 6th service on the car. This paintwork is the Pearlescent Storm White, and as you can see, is in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside on the N-Connecta, you first of all have the red theme that goes through the interior, which certainly brightens things up. Onto the dashboard, you've got your touchscreen there in the middle for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and the car also has the climate control as well as cruise control there on the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your 4 electric window controls, and then on the lower dash you have your switches there for the folding door mirrors. So really good specification. Being a small SUV type car, nice raised driving position, good access there into the back with a good amount of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as you open the tailgates, you have your split folding rear seats there and the clever parcel shelf that comes away with the tailgate for easy access. And then you also have the adjustable floor, so you can have it at its highest point to hide bits underneath, or lower it completely to increase the volume. And then underneath the boot floor you also have your tyre inflator kit there. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.